Hello everyone and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Canadian dollar. I will speak about gold market, Bitcoin dollar, dollar index, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with USD versus Canadian first. And what we can see here is a potential big tail, selling tail from sellers. So there is a potential for the fake upside breakout from buyers and the fade to the downside. So let's take a look at the hourly time frame. There was this tail, and especially the market can clear 1.3855 or so. There'll be a chance for a downside movement short term, and maybe even for the price to go towards 1.3800, and then there will be a next downside objective on 1.3700 mark. So if the sky can hold today at 1.3946, which there is a good chance for that, there is a chance for a further downside movement in the US Canadian dollar. Bitcoin there was a big sell-off. We spoke about this. Everything basically started after we had a doji candle 2 weeks ago, followed by no follow-through from the last week, and this was the result for the bigger sell-off. I learned about this, and we spoke about the bear flags alongside this downside move, and we are now breaking actually 53,000 and so. So I will say the next pivot level, and it's around 43,000 on the Bitcoin. So that's the next downside objective on the Bitcoin dollar. On the dollar index, we actually had quite a substantial downside move. So after the breakout of 103.70, we just went through all the way down to the previous swing low on the daily time frame at 102.36, which is this low here. Now this is the area of potential support. If we would break this one, then the next one is probably 102, and then pin bar tail around 100, 120, 100 mark. So far, I don't see any sign for the reversal or so, and the downside movement is sellers are in control. On the gold market, we can see that there was, if we take a look at the weekly time frame, still the last week closed in the middle, not particularly good sign of strength into the pin bar. There is still chance for rotation back down towards the 2,370 mark. Speaking of the crude oil, sellers are in control. Weekly tail, we're breaking this weekly tail, and the next pivot levels around 70.30 and 68.40 mark. The NASDAQ 100, quite a big sell-off. Everything started, if you go to the weekly time frame, there was a breakout with a doji candle, and then the lower high and lower low. And since then, market is just trading lower with the lower highs and lower low on the daily time frame. Still, the next pivot level is this low from mid-April this year, so it's around 17,050 mark. That'll be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.